Ever wondered how to take your Wix website from basic to breathtaking, unlocking capabilities far beyond simple drag and drop? Let's dive into how coding applies in Wix, specifically using Wix Velo to inject powerful custom functionality into your site. First, activate dev mode in your Wix editor. This unlocks the Velo tools, giving you access to the code panel at the bottom of your screen. This is where the magic happens with Velo. You can add custom JavaScript code to control elements on your page, handle user interactions, and much more. For example, you can write code to change the text on a button when a user hovers over it. Next, let's talk about connecting to external APIs. Velo allows you to fetch data from services like weather APIs, social media platforms, or any other API that provides information you want to display on your site. Use the Wix Fetch module to make HTTP requests and then display the retrieved data dynamically. Finally, use Velo to create dynamic content. Connect your site to a Wix database or an external database, and then use code to display information from the database in dynamic pages or repeaters. This could be anything from a product catalog to a blog with custom layouts. By leveraging Wix Velo, you can create truly unique and powerful web experiences that set your website apart. Experiment with these techniques, explore the Wix documentation, and unlock the full potential of your Wix website.